cleanser. What? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an empties video. If you want to know what I think about these product empties, would I repurchase them or am I going to say permanently goodbye to them? So guys, here are my empties. Crazy. And I have another bag in my makeup table. But I thought I'd focus on skincare empties this month. Yeah, so let's just get right to it. First thing, guys, I've got some big items here in their glass. I love these aromatherapy Bath and Body Works lotion. So there's one that says balancing lotion. It's made of mandarin and cedar wood. It's a moisturizing body lotion. And the other one is an energy boosting lotion, which has guava and orange in it. I love these aromatherapy lotions. Plus, they look beautiful on your vanity. I stock up on these when they do go on sale, and they almost always go on sale at Bath and Body Works. So just be on the lookout for those. Highly, highly recommend them. I actually have another one here, although I don't recommend this scent. This one is the Cozy scent. It has cinnamon and sandalwood. So I never really gravitate towards like cinnamony, like woodsy scents. So that's probably why I'm not liking the scent, but you know what, it does the job. It does the moisturizing for you. I love it. It just absorbs and melts into my hands. It gives me that feeling of just hydration, but at the same time keeps my hands really hydrated. Because I don't like the scent, I like to keep this lotion here where I film, because you know there's no smell-o-vision, right? So okay, next one. A bunch of Tatcha stuff, guys. Tatcha. Let's see, any other Tatcha? If you want to know more deets about the Tatcha skincare, I have a full-on skincare video about Tatcha. I review every single product that I've tried and tell you guys my thoughts. Is it worth purchasing them? So I will link the video in my description box below or over here in the card somewhere. But I have the Tatcha cleanser repurchased and purchased this many times. And in fact, I love to go travel with this. So love that. This is the Tatcha Rice Wash. Tatcha Rice Wash. It's not grainy or anything. Very smooth, very hydrating. The next item is the Tatcha Texture Tonic. Try saying that 3 times fast. The Tatcha Texture Tonic. Did I do it right? Tatcha Texture Tonic. I think right now Tatcha doesn't really have a toner. This is the equivalent to a toner in their skincare line. Basically, it has the AHAs, niacinamide, and fruit AHAs, so AHAs. They're a type of acid. They kind of resurface the skin, but it's also a toner where it brings back your skin to its pH balance. Love this. I'm on my second bottle. Quite pricey, but not as pricey as their essence. I love Tatcha Fukubukuru bags. It's like a New Year's tradition in Japan where there's lucky bags, and basically you get what you get, but you get twice the amount of products for what you pay for. So it's really a good deal, and that's when I stock up on Tatcha products, and one of them is right here. This is their essence. Crazy expensive for a full size, like I think $120, and thank goodness they have a smaller size like this. I love the hydrating factor. Essence basically kind of opens up your pores and helps the skincare enter into your skin a little bit more deeper. It's good, but I don't know if it's worth the price. Lastly, I have the Tatcha water cream. So they have 3 kinds of moisturizers from Tatcha. This blue one, which is great for oily skin. So, and then the other one is a white one, which is anti-aging, also very moisturizing. The third one is the dewy kind, which is purple, and so it's very, very hydrating. So it's best for dry skin folks. This one, I feel like it literally feels like water. I feel like my skin isn't getting the maximum hydration it needs. But then again, my skin has changed, guys. My skin went from oily to dry in like the course of 3 years. I think it's age. You know, you can't stop the aging process. If you have oily skin, this is for you. Very hydrating. It's gel texture, so it just melts into the skin. Amazing. Highly recommend it, but it all depends on the moisture level that you need for your face. Oh my gosh, this is an old one, an oil control toner back in the day. Ole Henriksen, very nice toner. I love it. This also has AHAs and BHAs. If you want to try something new, I think this is good. Did not irritate my skin at all. I had very oily skin when I had purchased this. I probably won't repurchase it because of that, because this specifically says oil control. But if you have oily skin, this is a good second step after your moisturizer. I mean, after your cleanser. This one I was holding on earlier. This is a oil control hydrator. Counterbalance, also from Ole Henriksen. Very good moisturizer. I like it. I really like it, guys. Time Botanicals. This is Clean Slate 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm and Radiant Sleeping Mask. Cleansing Balm and Sleeping Mask. Oh my gosh, it's a cleansing balm. I did not use it in that way. I used it as a radiant sleeping mask. So this one, guys, Time Botanicals is a small brand. It's an indie brand. It looks like this, guys. It's old. I've only used it a couple of times because it's a heavy moisturizer. I mean, you can use it to remove your makeup, but I recommend this for when you are hiking, when you are out in the sun. This is what your skin needs at the end of the day. I mean, when you're on vacation, your face goes all whack just because of the environment, the new environment that it's in. This one is really good at resetting, rebalancing your skin. My skin will be all red at the end of the day, and I put this on the next day. It looks plump, it looks hydrated, it's back to normal, and it's ready for the next day. So love these, guys. For those of you who have very sensitive skin, sensitive to the sun most especially, you're gonna love this. Derma E Gentle Daily Balancing. Oh, the Golden Turmeric Ancient Rice. Yes, highly recommend it. I need to purchase this again. I'm not very picky when it comes to cleansers, but I feel like this one definitely has whitening properties to it. So it brightens your skin a lot. And I've tried this many times on my son because during the summer, his skin turns 10 shades darker. I am not kidding you. And I'm actually kind of the same way, but not as extreme as him. And so I try to get these brightening moisturizers, brightening skincare products, brightening cleansers to kind of help with that skin turnover, kind of maintain his skin during the summertime because he swims a lot. He's a lifeguard. He's a swim instructor. So he is out in the sun a lot. So this one, guys, if you want to brighten your skin, this is an amazing cleanser. I bought this like at least, I don't know, 5 to 10 times. Bought this, repurchased it. I don't know why I forgot all about it, but you need this in your life. Detox. Ooh, okay, dry conditioner. Oh, there's still some left. This is by Dry Bar, guys. This is a dry conditioner. I don't get it. Why is it dry? I don't get it. It's supposed to hydrate my hair and it's not even doing that. So I did not finish it. It expired. Say no to that. Okay, next one is Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and papaya. I love this. So it's alcohol free. It has 2% BHA. This is actually a mild form of acid. I love this toner. I really do, because there are some AHAs, BHA toners that have like 10% in them. One of them is not Glow Recipe. Oh gosh, I will put the name of that brand here. That one is heavy duty stuff. I highly recommend Pharmacy. You can find this at Sephora as well. I go through a lot of toners. It's like a must in my skincare routine. Ooh, Beauty Derm. Okay, my sister-in-law sent this to me. It's a total whitening bath soap. Love it. And I'm keeping this because I need to find more. This is made in the Philippines. It's an amazing soap. Very hydrating, but at the same time, very cleansing. It has a gentle exfoliating. There are no beads or anything, but that soap is just It's just amazing. I don't know what it is. And I tried purchasing it again online, and I think it's going to go through customs and all that. So I am just going to wait till someone in my family goes home to the Philippines, which reminds me, my mom. Lancome bifacial eye makeup remover. Yes. I've had this several times. Every time I buy Lancome skincare, and which is very rare, but anything from Macy's, like skincare stuff, they usually have these little travel size stuff. Amazing, but would I buy it at regular price? Maybe not. These eye makeup removers are amazing. I've used them. I use them for travel mostly. Proactive Emergency Blemish Relief. Guys, Proactive is an oldie but a goodie. I use this as a topical solution for my acne. I haven't had acne in so long, like huge ones. No, I take that back. I did have one recently, last year, I think. Or was it this year? I don't know. But this is a good one. And now that I see this, I really want to get one for my daughter because, you know, she gets little tiny acnes here and there once a month when it's that time of the month. So it's good for her to have it. Kate Somerville Exfoliate. Ooh, this is a chemical exfoliator. So the physical exfoliators have the little beads that kind of, you know, sometimes scratch your skin. That might be a little bit more harsh. This one's a chemical exfoliator, but it is strong as okay. You have to put it on, leave it on for 2 minutes. You can only use this about, I want to say 3 times a week. It's once or twice a week. So Exfoliate, I love their brand for the most part. Guys, I finish it off because it's expensive as heck. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. I don't see a whole lot of benefits. And plus it feels harsh on the skin. You know, just having it there. I feel like the longer it stays on, the more it's doing stuff. But that's all up to you. It's all relative. So it's not bad. It didn't make my skin worse, but I feel like I don't see as much benefits as I hope. Elemis Superfood Facial Oil. This is an oil, like a dry oil almost, but it stinks. It smells like broccoli. Rotten broccoli. I don't like the feeling of it on my skin. It's one of those oils that just stays on top, but it doesn't really absorb into the skin and it feels weird. So not my favorite. Next one is the Tatcha Vitamin C. Love it. Me and vitamin C, it's sometimes a love and hate relationship, but Tatcha is pretty good. Oh, wave spray did not do anything for me. I don't recommend it. Native Deodorant Lavender Rose. I love to get these for travel. I love to put this in my purse as a touch up. I love this brand. I like this as kind of like an extra topper. I don't think it can handle like really super duper hot summer days. So I like this as a touch up. But hey guys, again, deodorant is relative. I like it, highly recommend it. This one, I wish I got to try this more. This is a brightening purple clay mask by Generation Clay. I think I'm going to repurchase this. I love this. It's a hydrating mask, and there's very few clay masks that leaves me feeling hydrated, and this is one of them. And if I'm not mistaken, it has a fun purple color to it. Yeah, I love the feeling of it on the skin. I love how my skin feels after. This is made in Australia. This one refines, brightens, illuminate, and nurture the skin. It just does it all. I love this clay mask. It's the only, I'm just gonna say it, it's the only clay mask that I've ever liked, like 100%. And I've tried a lot. Next one is the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Banana Coconut Moisturizing Conditioner. And I've also tried, I don't know what happened to the shampoo. I'm sure it's somewhere in my trash bag, but they're just okay for me. Meh. I wouldn't recommend buying a whole bottle. The It Cosmetics Confidence in a Neck Cream. Guys, if you don't have a neck cream right now, get it started. You think your neck is gonna be fine and all you have to worry about is your face. No, your neck is gonna go downhill pretty quick. Okay, so that's a negative view of skincare. Guys, you can't stop the aging process. I can't remember when these lines started to pop up, okay? It's normal, it's only natural, but they're coming. They're coming to get you. If you don't have skincare now, I don't care if you're 26 or 36 or 46. Why the 6? I don't know. I think you guys need to get started on the neck cream. This one is a good one. It's not something that you see over time unless you do a before and after. It's hard to see skincare. My friend Vanessa always says consistency is the key. There's a lot of good skincare out there, but if you don't put it on every night, if you don't use it consistently, it's not going to work for you. It's not going to have those same results that it claims to do. It's rejuvenating and firming. So I do love that. I use this every single night. It's empty. If it goes on sale again, I would purchase it again. Ooh, Dr. Brandt, no more needles, no more baggage. Eye depuffing gel. Nope, it doesn't depuff, doesn't do anything. This is the thickest eye cream I've ever found. It drags to put it on. It's just, oh, I don't know what Dr. Brandt was thinking on this one, but pass on this eye cream from Dr. Brandt. Actually do love that brand as a whole. So yeah, but their eye cream did not do it for me. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Empties videos. Thumbs up if you like this video and learned something. Comment down below if you've tried any of the products I've tried. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Let me know. Let's all learn together in the comments below. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.